Ever wondered how your favorite web apps store and update data in real time? Whether it's saving user profiles or managing dashboards, it all comes down to one powerful backend database, MongoDB. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple web app where you can add, edit, and delete users, and watch the data update live in MongoDB Compass. Instead of relying on spreadsheets or static files, you can build dynamic systems that scale using MongoDB. So, let's begin the process of setting up a simple web application with MongoDB as the backend. Step 1. Install the essentials: MongoDB, Compass, and Node.js. Set up your database, start MongoDB, then create a new collection named Demo. Create a new project folder. Open it in Visual Studio and enter the commands on the screen in your terminal. Build the backend. Create a backend file, server.js, that connects to MongoDB and defines CRUD routes for users. Design the frontend, a simple HTML page that fetches users from the backend and displays them dynamically. Finally, run it all together. The data you enter here should successfully appear both on screen and in MongoDB Compass. Let's understand what happened behind the scenes. The user interacts with the front end. The Express server handles requests via Mongoose, and the MongoDB database securely stores everything. This is the simple setup, which is the foundation of all full-stack apps. You now understand how data travels, where it's stored, and how APIs bring everything together. If found this helpful, drop a like, share it with a fellow developer. In case of any queries, feel free to comment and ask.